5 common business accounting mistakes to avoid and how to fix them. In today's fast-paced world, accurate financial information is essential. Avoid these 5 common pitfalls to streamline your processes, gain valuable insights, and focus on growth. Mistake number 1, ignoring the importance of accurate record keeping. Keep your books up to date to avoid costly mistakes and enable yourself to make informed choices. Use cloud accounting to automate tasks, reduce errors, and gain clear insights into your business's health. Mistake number 2, failing to track expenses closely. Track expenses effectively to control costs and maximize profits. Automate reports, streamline approvals, and gain valuable insights into spending patterns. Mistake number 3, delaying bank reconciliations. Reconcile your accounts promptly to avoid inaccurate financials and missed opportunities. Automate bank reconciliations with cloud accounting software to save time, identify discrepancies, and keep your books current. Mistake number 4, not staying up to date with tax laws and regulations. Stay updated on changing tax laws to avoid penalties and fines. Utilize cloud accounting to collaborate with your accountants, access real-time insights, and minimize tax liability. Mistake number 5, not leveraging technology to its full potential. Embrace cloud accounting to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and gain valuable insights. Access your finances anytime, anywhere to monitor performance, better collaborate with your team, and make informed decisions. By adopting these best practices and embracing cloud accounting solutions, you can streamline your financial operations, reduce costs, and gain a competitive edge. Our team of experts can help you implement the right strategies to improve your organization's performance. Ready to take the next step? Contact Eisner Amper today to learn how our cloud accounting solutions can help you achieve your financial goals.